In this video, how to disable Camtasia Assets from showing on startup. Camtasia Access helps users quickly find resources and learning materials, but you can hide it to ensure that the media bin is more readily available when you start working in Camtasia. First, open the Settings page from the Edit menu. In the Program tab, change the default tool to the media bin, then save the change. As you can see, when creating a new project, Camtasia Open Media bin by the default instead of Camtasia Assets. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.